What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell from the title, as of every video, I'm back with another hair review. Today's hair review will be with AliPearl. I have worked with them in the past before. One of my favorite highly requested companies that I even recommend to my own personal clients. So they sent me a 20-inch deep wave wig, 180 density. As y'all can see, they sent me a whole bunch of stuff in the box. Nothing new, nothing new. They sent me the basics, the elastic band, the dust bag, a scarf, the wig cap. You already know how that goes. So they sent me a 180 density deep wave wig, which I already said. Y'all, look at the lace, the hairline, the baby hair, the everything on this wig. When I tell you, this wig is straight quality. Look how thin the lace is and how small the knots are. Like, do y'all see this? And I love the texture of it. Like, it was everything. It definitely gave what it was supposed to. Y'all already know this is something that I rarely do. So y'all know I don't really do install videos on my channel, but I wanted to come with something different and a little bit more entertaining. So I'm gonna show y'all how I install this wig. It was gonna originally be 100% glueless, but I did glue it down on the sides because I wanted to do a side part. And y'all are gonna be really mad at me because look at how full and luscious this hair is. Like, oh, it definitely gave what it was supposed to. But I did cut it. I did cut this hair into a bob, which you guys will see later on in the video. I did speed it up because y'all was not going to sit through that. This video took a long time, but y'all enjoy.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room. Cause I couldn't be alone. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school. And that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool. And I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I'll create a unchanging love. I'll take yours and build it up. But I don't need a lot of wishes, cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end. It would just begin. If I had one wish, you would be my boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I'll trust you. If I had one wish, we'd run away. Making love all day. Have us a baby. If I had one wish, I'd make you my whole life. And you be my wife. Make it right this time. If I had one wish. One wish, one wish, 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 one wish.
Y'all, it's so crazy because this is really my first time ever really narrating an install. Because I don't really do them like that. But I feel like it's very self-explanatory. Right now I'm sectioning off all the baby hairs I want to leave out and that I'm going to swoop in. Y'all know how I go. So I take the hot comb, I press them out so they can be really, really flat when I lay them. Well, I do this before I cut them because it's really hard trying to run a hot comb through some short ass edges. Like, don't do it. You're going to burn yourself. You heard it here first.
One wish, one wish, one wish. 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 offender was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room, 'cause you couldn't be alone. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a unchanging love. I'll take yours and build it up. But I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end. It would just begin. If I had one wish, you would be my boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I trust you. If I had one.
A lot of people always ask, what do I lay my baby hairs with? I am using the styling foam, and it's not Motions. I actually poured Nairobi into a Motions bottle, so that's not what I use on my edges. It's actually Nairobi. But I kind of stopped using Nairobi. Like, I don't know why. I started using the olive oil one, and I actually like that one better. It smells better. It just does what it needs to do. So after I press everything out, y'all, the part is coming. Y'all gonna kill me. But I press out my roots. I want everything really flat before I wet my hair. Then I'm gonna go in with the spray bottle, wet everything up. I'm trying to make sure I dilute all my hair in water, because when I cut it, I want everything to kind of be even. And look how thick this hair is, y'all. Like, it's so thick. Trust me, you want to get it as flat as you can so you can see what you're doing.
And I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a unchanging love. I'll take yours and build it up. But I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end. It would just begin. If I had one wish, you would be my boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I trust you. If I had one wish, we'd run away, making love all day. Have us a baby. If I had one wish, I'd make you my whole life, and you'd be my wife. Make it right this time. If I had one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish.
Y'all, when you cut your hair, please use real scissors. I used some little Play Store craft construction paper ass scissors, and it just wasn't working because the hair was so thick. So make sure y'all have some shears or something. And I'm so sorry that this bottle is in the way so y'all can't see, but your girl did get a little scissor happy. But I love the outcome of my hair. You guys will see in a minute, so continue watching.
one wish, 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 one wish. As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room. Cause couldn't be alone. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school. And that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool. And I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a unchanging love. I'll take yours and build it up. But I don't need a lot of wishes, cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end. It would just begin. If I had one wish.
So I did get it to the length that I wanted because I knew once the hair dried, it was going to dry up. So it was going to be like right. I wanted it right above my shoulders, but not showing like my neck, if that makes sense. Because I'm not really a fan of not curly hair. I'm not really a fan of short hair if it's too short. Because I don't like my neck out. And baby, it's cold outside. Like, I still need my neck covered. But it did what it was supposed to. So I'm just going in and cutting it like the little extra long pieces that I didn't really get to, just so it doesn't look crazy. So once I take my elastic band off, I'm going to go in and comb through my baby hairs. This is actually how you create the whole feather baby hair look, if y'all ever wondered. You just use mousse and then you just comb them out and they become really, really soft.
One wish, one wish, one wish. One wish, one wish, one wish. One wish, one wish, one wish. One wish, one wish, one wish.
So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys check the description bar for all hair details. Check out AliPearl, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room.